In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can update your AirPods to the latest firmware. Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to Tech Trends. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. If you have the first generation or second generation AirPod or the AirPods Pro and you wanna update the AirPods to the latest firmware because you're facing some issue or you wanna use the new features Apple added to the AirPods, then you're in the right place. Now, to update your AirPods, first of all, connect the AirPods to your iPhone and listen to any music or audio for at least 30 seconds. After you're done listening, put the AirPods back into its case. And connect the case with the charger. Make sure the AirPods are charging. Now make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi and is near the AirPods. Now just wait about 30 minutes and the AirPods should be updated to the latest firmware. To check what version you're currently on, you can connect your AirPods to your iPhone and then go to Settings, General, About, and click on your AirPods. And here you can see the firmware version, serial number, and all this sort of stuff. Hope this video helped you. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Have a great day and peace.